Very good morning everyone. You are most welcome in this session. Today I am going to teach magnet and magnetism. Okay, it is the fifth part of the video. Today we are going to discuss few points, that is magnetic effect can pass through skin, demagnetization, care of a magnet and usage of magnets. First we talk about magnetic effect can pass through screen or not. Okay, first I show you one thing. We learn it by one practical. I have taken, this is a plastic sheet, and on the upper side of it I have taken a piece of iron, and other side it is a magnet. Okay, now when I move the magnet, also it moves from one place to another. It means the magnet is kept the other side and the skin is on other side. Although the magnet can attract it, it means magnetic force work. Magnetic force can pass through the screen also. Okay, it proves. And one more example. The magnetic needle has been taken under the glass screen. Okay, but when I bring one magnet, also the magnetic needle moves one place to another place. It means magnetic effect, magnetic force can pass from the screen and also from the aluminium case. Okay, if I take this side, also it can move one place to another. It proves that magnetic effect can pass through the screen. Okay, now demagnetization. What is the demagnetization? Demagnetization is the process of losing the power of a magnet. It means the process by which a magnet loses its magnetic effect is called demagnetization. So, how a magnet can lose its power or its magnetic effect? So, when you drop it from on a hard surface, it can lose its power. The power will lose. Okay, first when you drop it, so by dropping, I have written here, by dropping on a hard surface, and by hammering, when you hammer, take a hammer and beat it. Okay, on that case it will, the magnet will lose its power. And the second, by hitting, when you hit, okay, also it will lose. And one more important thing, when you place a bar magnet in east and west direction, this way magnet can stand. Always when freely suspended magnet always stands towards north and south direction. But when you place a bar magnet in east and west direction, it will lose its power automatically. Okay, and next, when you strike it, okay, against a hard surface, also it will lose its power. Okay, so by hammering, by hitting and keeping it east and west direction, by striking, by dropping, and by self demagnetization. What is self demagnetization? When you keep one bar magnet in open place, it means when the two poles of a magnet is free. Okay, when it is kept in free space, so it will lose its power automatically. Okay, this is the way of demagnetization. So now we talk about care of a magnet. How can you care a magnet that it will not lose its power? Okay, so now the method is, first I show one thing. When you purchase magnet, you will get this type of magnets. It is bar magnets. 2 bar magnets are placed, okay, and on the top, on the top and also the bottom, one piece of iron kept here, and also on the bottom also it is kept. 2 pieces of iron are kept on the top and one in the bottom. Okay, this is called keepers. What is it? It is keeper. Both are keepers. And between two bar magnets, we place one plastic or rubber, okay, rubber piece or plastic piece. It means insulator you can put between two magnets. Now I show you again. And first, so how can you carry a magnet? Place two magnets in such a manner when the two opposite poles are closer. Two opposite poles are closer. It is south and this one is north. North and south poles are kept closer and both poles are joined with a keeper. Okay, there are two keepers, one at bottom and one is kept on the top. Okay, so first place two bar magnets, join two opposite poles with keepers, and between both bar magnets place one wooden or plastic, that is plastic stick you can say. Okay, plastic you can place it. This is the way to care magnets. Always place magnets in pairs. Okay, this is the way of carrying. You can also write in your words. And usage of magnets. So you know already what are the uses of magnet. Also, when you want to separate magnetic and non-magnetic materials, you can use magnet. Okay, and also you use mic speakers. Under the speakers it is used, and also for in electric motors that and your inverters, magnetic magnets are used. That electromagnets are used for generating the magnetic field. Okay, and there are many uses nowadays. Indoors also magnets are used, and also in your compass box it is used. Okay, and also in medical area it is used to the uh, take the image uh, inside our body parts. It is used. So there are various uses. You can write down also in your copy, and in your book also it is given. Okay, so I hope you got it, all the points. How can you carry a magnet, how what is demagnetization. Okay, both points are important. And how can you carry magnets. That's all for today.